So this is the dry result that I don't like it. Don't like this part. Have some problems, and I decided that I will pour my acrylic binder, dilute it with water, that it will dry clear just on top of this canvas, and I will play with the hair dryer a little bit. I saw a lot of artists, you know, to use this transparent kind of base. And I decided that I will use this today too, just to maybe save this canvas that I don't like. I don't know if it will work, and I still have a lot of struggles with hair dryer, but I kind of decided that I will go with a hair dryer today. We will see what will happen. If you don't try, you don't know. Have to figure out that I will be in frame again. Okay. So this part is done. This will dry clear. So it will be a little longer video. I kind of liked how the cells looked at the first time when I started that open cup, but at the end just wasn't what I was going for. So, and I will use just Pebeo premixed paints for pouring for this part, for the blowing part. So I will let you listen to some music, and I will try to play with my hair dryer a little bit. I like what is going on with those paints. I really do. Obviously there will not be any of the previous pour visible. If I will have to, I will touch the sides with the, because I don't know what will be visible, but I basically used my transparent base, I think, for maybe here will come through something out, we will see, but let me take it down for the wet results. So let's see. I love this so much. I love the lacing and cells. So many gorgeous details. Love the colors, of course. I think that here maybe I can get some of the previous pour popping through, but I'm not afraid, because it will look like I don't know, a sky or something, I hope. So I can't wait to see this dry. I'll be back in a second. So here it is. As I thought I did. I get some of the background. I have to touch up this corner here a little bit because it's just white here. Some of the previous pour, but I like this really much. Like those, this gold is just gorgeous. Love the colors and love how it blends into the background, kind of, that it was already there, and it does look like a sky or something. Just beautiful. I love it, and I love the composition. I'm really happy with this one. I did some dips too on the coasters. I will just go here where they are drying. Oh, just a second. On the excess paint. And they are just beautiful. I love them. Oh. Beautiful lacing. I don't know if it was because of the base, my base, because when I try to dip without, nothing happened. So I think that my binder has to do something with it. So this is it for today, and see you again on Friday. Bye.